Hey guys, I'm Sabirah, a Year 2 student currently pursuing a diploma in Landscape Design and Horticulture, and you're watching Of Course NP, where I'll be showing you what a day in the life of an NP student in my course is like. Let's go! I'm currently making my way to the shade house where I'll be having my propagation and nursery management class. After which, I'll have an hour's break where I'll have my lunch and followed by the final lesson of the day, which is a lab session for my plant pathology and entomology class. For the first lesson, which is propagation and nursery management, we'll be doing asexual propagation by stem cuttings in class today. We'll be doing 3 types of stem cuttings. They are shoot tip and non-shoot tip cutting, leaf bud cutting, and cane cutting, and all these will be carried out by using 5 different types of plant species, which are Ficus sp, Murraya, Valaris sp, Philodendron, and lastly Costus sp. Here, I'm just planting the stems in and doing the necessary, which are labeling the pots, followed by watering them. Also, after watering, some of the medium will be pushed in, so adding extra medium is necessary as well. It's always important for us students to do housekeeping. This is to ensure that the shade house remains clean and tidy when others come to use it, as it is a shared area as well as not to attract any pests. So I'm finally done with my first lesson and I'm heading off for lunch. So I usually go to Munch, which is located at block 73, just down LCC's block. And I love the chicken rice there because it's so good and you guys should definitely give it a try. So I'm done with lunch now and I'm just making my way to the lab for my plant pathology and entomology module. Before we enter the lab, everyone is required to wear their lab coats and make sure they're wearing proper clothes and shoes. This module explores various plant pathogens and diseases as well as their classification and morphology. Pathology basically means the study of diseases, while entomology means the study of insects. We are basically just learning about plant diseases, pest identification, and how to manage them. So as you can see, our lecturer has kindly picked out diseased plants and also those which are attacked by pests and just explaining them to us about the different types of damage. We even have to use a magnifying glass to see those insects or damage up close because it's not as visible with our naked eye. Did you know that the number of insect species is believed to be between 6 and 10 million? How wild is that? So I'm finally home and I'm sure you are wondering why I chose to join Landscape Design and Horticulture, so I would like to share a bit on that. Yeah, I actually developed an interest in landscape design and found it interesting how you actually put elements together to actually create and design a space. Basically, my course combines both science and design. So you might be wondering, how does that even work? So not only do we learn about landscape design, we also touch on horticulture and plant science, plant biology. And now you must be wondering, so with all this knowledge, what can I actually do? What career choices do I actually have? So with this, you can actually join a design firm if you're interested in doing landscape design and work with clients to create their landscape design, or you can even do things out in the field like working in a park. If you want something more fancier, you can also join Gardens by the Bay or Botanic Gardens, because all of that is under what we learn in landscape design and horticulture in NP. Well, that's how a day in my life as an LDH student usually is. Don't forget to check out the other Of Course NP videos in the IGTV segment if you wish to learn more about other courses. Bye!